Hey, we're back. Another vlog, another day. How are we all? Hope you're all having a good day. What are we going to talk about today? Got new videos just dropped. The Perth Mint, the 1 ton gold coin, the biggest gold coin on the planet, worth $71 million. Get on and go and check that out. It's pretty wild. It's in the Perth Mint in WA, Australia. Yeah, it's pretty cool to see something like that. $71 million in one big lump. It's not even held down or anything. It's just sitting on a cradle because no one could ever lift it or move it. You do machines, and it's in an old 100-year-old building that no one could get into. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Check that out. The beauty of it was with that video is it was a really quick edit. It was probably my best edit I've done for since I've started with Premiere Pro. I've only been using Premiere Pro and teaching myself how to use it for since the start of May. So to smash out an edit that quick was just really good. It only took me 2 nights to get it fully done after work, so that was really, really cool. How I got a little bit better, and I watched a video the other day from Sarah Dici on keyboard shortcuts. I'd seen them before and sort of not really worried about it because in iMovie it was just really easy just to drag stuff around, and I sort of hadn't really got to that level of teaching myself that, so I was worried about other stuff. So I started using the cuts and the move and a few keyboards and that, and it just saved me so much time. So my advice, if you're just starting out doing videos and stuff like that, definitely keyboard shortcuts. I've been killing myself trying to get these things done and dropping and dragging and going and changing with the cursor, and you just don't realise how much time it does save you by doing the simple keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to work hard to learn as many as I can and set them up as much as I can for the system, because it made a huge difference. So I was able to get it all finished last night and render it, and I uploaded it on my phone because the Wi-Fi here is terrible. We only get 2 megs a second on Wi-Fi for camp, so it's really, really hard to do anything or use the internet. If you want to watch a movie or stream a movie, it can take 3 or 4 hours to do that, so I had to up my phone account to actually watch anything or use the internet. Yeah, it's really bad. That's pretty standard for Australia. Even at home of my business NBN, the best I can ever get, and I have to pay another $15 a month to get it, is maybe 85 meg a second. That's the best you can get, just unless you want to pay thousands and thousands of dollars a month for like multi-million-dollar company business internet, which they've got to run a new cable in or something. I know that's just out of anyone's reach. So bring on SpaceX. Go Elon Musk. Can't wait for that satellite global broadband to go in, because we can get rid of Telstra, because Telstra is terrible. I've never met anyone that said they're good, and I don't think I ever will. They're woeful. Telecommunications in Australia is average, and the worst thing about that is CSIRO invented Wi-Fi, yet it's terrible. Our 4G network, which should be up to 70 meg, can barely hit 10 meg if you're right in the middle of the city near an interchange. Yeah, don't come to Australia if you use the internet. That's all I can say. It's pretty bad. But anyway, so that was good. Positive out of that video. Learn a heap more things on the keyboard, so that was cool. Got the video out so you can all see, so definitely get along and check that out. The 1 ton coin. Wow, it's huge. You definitely need to check that. There's also gold pouring in there. They're the same mint that made all the medals for the Sydney Olympics. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. You can do a little tour, watch some gold get poured. You get to lift up a bar, which is fairly heavy, and that bar I think was worth $700,000. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, another interesting place in Perth. I'm trying to do all the touristy things and stuff I've never done because I've always been working. So I'm trying to fit that in before we move to Queensland next year. So yeah, no, that was pretty cool. Maybe I'd hear some music in the background. That's EPIDEMIC. That's from my account. I use them for all my videos. If you are looking for music, I can definitely recommend them. They're fantastic. They've got some awesome music. Again, I'm learning, so finding music on there and setting up folders with different stuff, so I can know where to use it. That's something else to sort of add into your list of things to do for startups. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and yeah, they've got a huge variety and some really great tunes, some great music by some awesome artists. So yeah, if you're looking for music, EPIDEMIC, check that one out. And then another one I've been working on is descriptors, trying to get my links down, my eBay link for my partnership with them is monstrous. But the Amazon one's a really short one, the eBay's link, but I found that today, so I've been trying to clean that up. So in each video, in the descriptions, there's not a massive list of jumbled gobbledygook. But yeah, so I've cleaned up a fair few today. I'll do some more of that. So that was good. I found a Bitly mob to do that, so that was cool, to shorten the links. So yeah, it's been good. It was really good. So very happy last night, and I also smashed out another 5K run, which I was stoked about. Just about died at the end of it, but I feel a lot better for it today. So all good. Monday, start of a week. Powerball's 80 million this week. Fingers crossed. Go Powerball. Anyway, I hope you're all having a half decent sort of Monday. It's not the best day of the week for you guys. It's Sunday night. Hope your Sunday night's enjoyable. Get a good rest so you can start the week off fresh, and away we go. All right, I'll catch you all tomorrow, and have a great day. See ya.